In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money Sendwave to Bangladesh. We'll go from installing the app all the way to confirming your transfer, keeping everything simple, secure, and clear. First, download the Sendwave app on your smartphone. You'll find it in the official App Store or Google Play. Look for the verified app publisher and recent reviews to make sure you're getting the legitimate version. A quick tip. Install updates when prompted so you have the latest security improvements and the most accurate rates and fees. It also helps to be on a stable internet connection before you begin. Next, open the app and either create an account or log into your existing one. If you're signing up, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your basic details and set a secure passcode. The app may ask you to verify your identity and add a payment method such as a debit card. This is normal for compliance and helps keep your transfers safe. Double check that your name and details match your payment method to avoid delays. Once you're in, select Bangladesh as your destination country. You'll see the currency and the current exchange rate displayed. This is where you can preview any fees and the delivery options available for Bangladesh. Rates can change, so take a second to confirm you're happy with what you see before moving on. Now add your recipient's information. Enter their full name exactly as it appears on their ID or bank account, along with their phone number. If you're sending to a bank account or a mobile wallet, carefully enter the account or wallet details and any other fields the app requests. Accuracy matters here. Small typos can cause delays or failed deliveries, so review the spelling and numbers closely. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will automatically convert it and show how much your recipient will receive in Bangladeshi taka, plus any fees and the estimated delivery time. If there's a promo field and you have a valid code, you can apply it here. Make sure the total looks right and that it fits your budget. Finally, confirm and send. You'll see a summary of the transfer. Recipient, amount, fees, exchange rate, and delivery method. If everything looks correct, authorize the payment using your passcode or biometrics. The app will display a confirmation screen and you'll usually get a receipt you can share with your recipient. You can track the status in the app, and if you need help, use the in-app support for quick assistance. That's it. You've successfully sent money to Bangladesh with